Freshsales CRM tutorial, demo, and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to review Freshsales CRM and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Freshsales CRM, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Freshsales, also known as Freshworks CRM, it is a versatile customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their customer interactions and sales processes effectively, in which it centralizes customer data, enabling real-time access and updates, which enhances the ability of sales team to track interaction and maintain accurate records. So from here, you can simply go to freshworks.com/crm/sales in order to go here. And after that, just click the try it for free button on the top right corner, or you could also click the link in the description to start logging in to Freshsales CRM, in which upon clicking on try it free button on the top right corner, you'll now be able to be directed in this page where you can sign up using your Google account or email address in here. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed in this page. And as you can see, you can simply fill out the required information, including which industry do you belong to. And I'm going to choose the e-commerce and choose Shopify and click the next button to proceed. And after that, from here, just also click the next button below to proceed to the next step. And it will show you what's your goal with Freshsales. And I'm going to choose manage leads and customers and get started button to be proceed on your dashboard of Freshsales in here. And after that, you will be able to see the customer or the list of customer in here with its corresponding details, including the name, merchant, job title, email address, and even the status of it. We have here won and also qualified. And as you can see on this page, if you also want to add a new customer, kindly click this add customer button on the top right corner, and it will show you on this right side panel to fill out the required information, including the email and also first name, last name, the merchant, job title, mobile number in here, and many more. So at this point, also you can see, just enter the first name, last name, and also you can also click the save button to start creating or adding the customer on this page. And I'm going to enter the merchant, which is Apple Inc. Then just click the save button below here to start saving the changes. And after that, from here, you will be able to see the overview about the customer, including the details that we just input and the status of it on the top panel that we could also customize. We could also enter here the location, click to add tags, while on the left side panel, we have here conversations, activities, merchants, and many more. But going back to this customers list, you'll be able to see on the top panel that you could click this import customers to start importing a customer, such as from CSV or Excel, Google Contacts, Outlook Contacts, and many more. Or alternatively, you could also click this tab in order to select a view such as My Territory, Active, Inactive, Recycle Bin, and many more. So from here, you'll be able to see here some other kind of view in order to sort or filter all of this kind of list of customer. You could also click recently imported, modified, and many more. And you can even invite your team, route leads to your team, and many more. While on the left side panel, you could also click this dashboard, and from here it will show us a variety of data, including the number of revenue, revenue loss. By clicking this plus button right here, you could also see a report such as chat dashboard, e-commerce marketing journey, product dashboard, and many more. So you can basically navigate some bit in here. While on the top panel, by clicking this plus button, you can add a customer, merchants, code, task, call log, send SMS, email, and many more. But from here under dashboard, you can track all of this data. Moving on to this merchants option on the left side panel, from here it will show you the list of your merchants. As you can see, the Apple in here has now been added, which is the merchant that we just added earlier. And on the top panel, you could also import the merchants in here, such as simply drag or upload your file in here from your computer files. Moving on, you could also click this add merchant to start adding a new merchant. And again, by filling out the required information. And aside from that, in any of these lists of merchant, you could also customize by clicking, for example, this one. You can see here the overview and other details about this merchant. It will show us on the left side panel the merchant details to search for specific fields, note, task, add a meeting, sales activities, and even add transaction in here. You could also add a customer if you want to. Now on the left side panel under this conversation, we could see all of the conversation, activities, customers, transactions, and even the files in here. So basically, each merchant has corresponding details that we could also monitor and track in here. Now, as you can see, I just click this Apple merchant that I just customized, and by clicking this task, you can add a new task if you want to by entering the title, description, task type, and the outcome in here. Then just proceed by clicking the save button to save the changes. You'd also click the three dots, in which you can clone, delete, or forget this kind of merchant. And from here, same as before, by clicking these tabs, right here it will show you that you could also click to choose or select a view to appear all merchants, territory merchants, recently imported, and many more. So it's basically kind of filter or sort by. Now moving on, aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate this transaction option by simply clicking on it. From here, you'll be able to track all of your transaction, which also can be classified as new, qualification, discovery, or demo. And from here, it will show us the card view with its corresponding sample and details below here. And as you can see, if you scroll down right here, it will show us a variety of notes and card. In each category, we have here negotiation, won, and loss. And aside from that, if you also want to add a deal or transaction, just click this Add Transaction button right here under Demo. And in this right side panel, kindly fill out the required information, including the related customer, related merchant, transaction type, transaction name, currency, transaction stage, and owner in here. But if you're not satisfied with this kind of fields, you could also start customizing your fields by clicking the Customize Fields button on the top right corner to proceed. But that's just only optional. Now going back in here once again, by clicking or by closing this window. From here on the top panel, you could also click this Invite Your Team to start inviting a team member, such as by entering here their email address and choosing their role with your administrator, sales manager, and many more. Then click Invite Now button to proceed inviting the team. Now moving on, from here below you could also add or simply drag the kind of card in here into a different kind of section, such as demo, negotiation, won, and many more. And after that, that is just basically how you can start customizing any kind of details in here. You could also bring in website leads if you want to. But moving on the left side panel, we can navigate here these conversations, such as under email with here awaiting response. But you could also connect your inbox, such as your Gmail or even your Microsoft Outlook, Zoho, or others. And after that, you can navigate here all of your inboxes that has been sent, is scheduled, drops, and even trash and email templates in here. And by clicking the plus button on the top right corner, you could also see another kind of option to do so. We have here to send email, create template, and create sales sequence, and any other kind of option to generate in here. You could also navigate the bulk email, email tracking, phone, SMS, and many more. Moving on the left side panel under Analytics, you'll be able to see all of the reports, including the e-commerce marketing journey report. By simply clicking this one, for example, you'll be able to be directed on the page, and it will show you the overview about this report, including the total order summary, the overview on WhatsApp, SMS, and revenue trend, and many more. So basically, all of these details are important, such as for cloud-based customer relationship management solution to design and enhance the sales process for business of all sizes. And from here, to create a new report, just click New Report button on the top panel, and after that, just simply fill out this required information, such as to add the widgets in here. Then click the Save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But basically, Freshsales offers a suite of features that include lead tracking, sales management, multi-channel, communication, and automation tools, which collectively aim to boost sales, productivity, and improve customer engagement in here. That's why, as you can see under these admin settings, it will show us the leads, contacts, and also accounts. And all of that are important to consider and start navigating and using this platform to improve the customer engagement. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Freshsales CRM. Thank you.